Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Bytes. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to the iQOO Neo 10R 5G. This phone has been making waves, and for good reason. Let's dive into the features that make this device a must-have for 2025. First up, we've got the display. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G boasts a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media, this display is going to make everything look incredible. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the iQOO Neo 10R 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. This means blazing fast speeds, seamless multitasking, and an overall snappy user experience. Battery life is always a concern, right? Well, the iQOO Neo 10R 5G comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging. That's right, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Camera enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The iQOO Neo 10R 5G features a versatile triple camera setup with a 64MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens. From breathtaking landscapes to detailed close-ups, this phone's camera has got you covered. And let's not forget about 5G connectivity. With the iQOO Neo 10R 5G, you're getting super fast internet speeds, low latency, and overall better network performance.